he doesn't take anything seriously.
Officer McCreary.
In court, Underwood's lawyer pushes back against the idea that Mr. Underwood resisted arrest on purpose. According to the lawyer, this wasn't about resisting arrest, but misunderstanding the law. Underwood didn't believe officers had the proper warrant, so he refused to leave. For bond, the state recommends he wear an ankle monitor and avoid contact with his ex-wife.
Living with him at that residence, and I believe the primary person at that residence is the mother of Mr. Underwood's child. I don't believe they're married, but they do have a child in common. Certain statements were made while the situation was going on yesterday with regard to the standoff. A gun was obtained by law enforcement at the time of the arrest. Mr. Underwood did say that was his weapon, and intimated to officers that it was not for use on officers, but it was for use on his child's mother. Given those circumstances, there was also some marijuana in the residence that was turned over to narcotics as well at the time of the arrest, and with at a later date. But for today's purpose, what the state would be asking for is Underwood has made intimating potential harm towards his child's mother. We believe that GPS monitoring, ankle monitor, is appropriate in this case. We would also ask that the bond specifically include provisions prohibiting him from going to her, and certainly we can furnish the addresses to the monitoring company so they can go ahead and plug that into the monitor so they'll be notified if Mr. Underwood goes to either of those places. For today, any other issues certainly can be taken up at a preliminary hearing or at the appropriate time later on.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
The judge approves the bond conditions, but Officer Underwood's arrogant outburst makes it clear he doesn't take anything seriously.
Officer McCreary.
The judge approves the bond conditions, but Officer Underwood's arrogant outburst makes it clear he doesn't take anything seriously.
Officer McCreary.